Hello, my name is Angie, and I am a stay-at-home mom with an autistic son who is 9 years old. His name is Adam, and he has an 8-year-old sister who is not autistic. I am working to help build support and confidence for fellow parents looking to network and learn how to properly educate their children on an online platform, specifically dedicated to stay-at-home parents like myself. These resources are going to be specifically designed for better in-home instruction that will focus on strategies that promote a social environment and a small community of like-minded parents. This website will include materials like videos, in-depth how-to articles, and live coaching events that will be imperative for the overall learning experience of the family. Your support is greatly appreciated. I have been homeschooling Adam for 2 years and have collected knowledge and experience in educating my autistic child, which I am very interested in sharing with you. I am also a Christian, a Seventh-day Adventist Christian, and if you believe in God, in the Father, I'm going to add this. If you believe in God, I would like to work within this medium in how we can bring our children to God. And I really find that to be so important, to have that connection with God, because it's certainly not in the public school. And through homeschooling, your child can definitely shape and mold your son or daughter in knowing God for themselves, knowing that He is their Heavenly Father, not only that they have an earthly father, but also that they have a Heavenly Father who loved them very much in spite of their difficulties, in spite of their challenges, and to know that their Heavenly Father brought His only begotten Son to die for them, so that they can live through eternity. If you have any questions, please contact me and I'll give you my email. It's adennis1234@gmail.com. Again, that is adennis1234@gmail.com. And so again, this is a fundraiser video that I am promoting and sharing with families who are looking to homeschool, and you're welcome to contact me. And I also have my YouTube video, which I will include down below, and so I thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you and working with you.